In the cheater, type request math. And it takes you directly to the course request mass update groups. And I want to get rid of that other one. So I'm going to add one from scratch, and we're just going to call it 6. Courses 6. All right, so this is courses all 6th graders take minus SE for special ed, and I click save. Click the green arrow, and now I'm going to click the green add mass update rule. I'm going to add a rule for 6 English. I'm purposely skipping the statuses. I don't need those. That's why I made these ad hoc memberships. My 6th grade SE. So that's my 6th grade students minus the special ed. Down here in the add course, I'm going to choose 6310. Click save and new. I'm going to do the same thing for 6 math. Still that ad hoc, the 6th grade students minus the special ed, and this time the course code is 6410 for math. Save and new. I have phys ed. I'm going to use that same ad hoc, and my code for phys ed is 6220. Save and new. Couple more. I have computers. Same ad hoc, and the code for computers is 6490 at this building. Let's do science. 2 more. Science also uses this ad hoc, and the code for my science is 6510. And the last one I'm going to add is a little different, and it's lunch. Every student in 6th grade that attends should have a lunch. So now I'm not going to use my ad hoc. Instead, I'm going to use the A and the N. Oops. Because every student, even the special ed, need to have a lunch so their house bill hours calculate correctly. Now I come down here, I need to make sure I take out the ad hoc. And then my lunch course code is A617. Hit save. Now I have these 7 classes. I'm going to go ahead and execute this rule group. And what's going to happen when I click that, Dazzle is going to mass assign English, math, phys ed, computers, I have computer twice, science, and lunch. It's going to mass assign that to everyone. Now, if I go back, put a kid in context, so I have that 6th grader, and I go back to their request page. And then was the second one after I typed in the word request in the cheater. Every course request was assigned. And notice it only assigned computers once. It was smart enough to know it shouldn't be assigned twice. Now, if I go back to request mass, I have to do band inquire. I added my 6 band kids, click the green arrow, I add the rule, band 6, and these are just names, rule name, rule description, it's just a name. But down here in my ad hoc, I'm going to choose 6th grade band kids and add the course for band, and I'm going to have to look it up, and it's 6120. Save. I'm going to execute that rule group, go back to my groups, and now I'm going to add band. Or excuse me, I'm going to add choir. Now I could have put these all in the 6th grade courses, but in my brain, it's easier if I separated these out. It helps me keep them straight. And I'm going to click the green arrow for choir. And these are just names that I'm typing. You can type whatever you want in here, but I suggest you make them as clear as possible. I'm going to use that ad hoc for choir. And then down here is the 6 choir reading. And I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to execute that group. Now, when I go back to Ann Allen, she should be a band student. If I type request in the cheater, pick the second one. Bingo, she has band. Now, if I jump to the very end of the alphabet and find a 6th grader, Jerome, he should have choir. Oh, he's an R, he has none. That's why. Now let's find another 6th grade student. Let's go Alicia Weber. She's an A. Ah, there she has choir.